And if we did everything right, we should be ready now to make our first sign up. So let's actually eliminate the current contents of the database. I'll do it here where there's a server running. So it's probably a good idea to exit the server and restart it after clearing the database. Okay, let's clear the database now. Remember, that's rake db migrate reset. All right, I'm getting some really sluggish behavior here. I'm going to kill this, and I'm going to kill those Spring processes that sometimes gunk things up. I'm going to get rid of this, and just verify that there are a bunch of them. Yeah, there really aren't that many, but I think this will probably help. And restart this here. And let's try this again. Yeah, that was a lot faster. Okay. And we can also run the test suite here, just to get it to run once. All right, so let's take a look at the current state of the application. It should be working, so we should be ready to do a first sign up. Let's take a look at this. Oh, that's right, this window has the server. Here we go. So let's take a look at our test suite while that's booting up. Yeah, so we're completely green, which is good. And let's take a look at the state of the server. All right, so we're ready to do our first sign up. So let's call the name Rails tutorial and the email example@railstutorial.org. Remember, that's one of the addresses that I've associated with a Gravatar image. And then you can pick whatever password you want. And so now when I click submit, it should not only redirect to the profile page, but it should also have a nice flash message. So let's see if that works. I'm not sure it will, but I hope it will. There it is, look at that. So this is styled in this nice green color because of the success key we gave it right here. So here in the application layout, there is a message type here of success, and so this div has class alert success, and Bootstrap automatically styles that nicely, so we can inspect that, in fact. You can see here, alert success. So that's where the styling is coming from. I'll go ahead and save that password. We'll probably use it again. And of course, we can see that the Gravatar image appears as it did before. So this is great. This is a successful sign up. Let's actually take a look at the database. We probably will have to restart this thing. Yeah, so it still says 3. I don't think reload bang is enough, but it might be. Let's take a look. Now, in fact, it's freezing, so I don't know what's going on here. I'll just Control C it. Ugh. All right. Let's get out of it. Control D a couple times. This is just the way it goes sometimes in web development life. I don't know why it's stuck. Okay, there it goes, finally. All right, let's restart that Rails console. You know, it's nice to do Rails C because it's short, but if you're going to look for the process, it's actually nice to be able to grep for console. So there actually is an advantage to using the full name. All right, now we can do user.count. Should be 1. Good. User.first, and there it is. That's the one we just put in. Now, I mentioned before something about the flash, this thing here. What is the point of that? Why can't we just put in the message by hand with embedded Ruby, say? And the answer is because we don't want this message appearing every time the user goes to the profile page. We want it to disappear after this first request. So what happened here is we submitted the form, got redirected, and this flash message appeared. But if we then, say, just refresh the browser, it disappears. Same thing would have happened if I clicked over to a different page.